Let's go to one more video here on our Diecast channel. Today I'm going to show you these four trucks, these pickups. They're made basically by Greenlight and M2 Diecast auto trucks from 1967 to 1972. First two 67s we have are these two Greenlights, the red and white and the blue one. Then we have three 68, 169, a couple 1970s, 1971, 72, which are the last ones. So let's go on. First 1967 is this Greenlight with a bed cover. This bed cover comes off if you pull it out, but I just don't want to be pulling it out and putting it back because it's a plastic piece, so I don't want to break it. This pickup features those wheels with the wheel covers just like the ones in the Ford Galaxy. Some trims around the rear and a Ford badge on the tailgate. And this 1967 grille, as we know. It's a beautiful pickup made by Greenlight and it's very well made. The bed and the cab are very well aligned, which is something I do appreciate. Second 67 is this blue one, this metallic blue. It features a V8. Forgot to show the one and the other one. Let's take a look. Both feature V8 engines. Very nice. This pickup is basically the same as that one, with the difference that it doesn't have a bed cover, but you can see the holes here. You can take the bed cover out of that one and put in this one if you want to. Interior is the same. Seats here are white, the other ones are red. Basically color difference. I like this color better, but that one is also very nice. Moving on to 1968. I've got this version here as we compare the 67 to 68. The basic difference I can see is a Ford badge on the front grille, but basically the rest of it is basically the same. Ford letters here in the tailgate are a little bit bigger, but I don't know if it's correct or if it's just a pattern they used in the model. This 68 truck simulates a used truck, so it's got some scratches on the paint, some details that were made by Greenlight. These are all original. I haven't done anything to this truck. It's very nice engine, and a famous Ford wheel cover I've seen in several cars in Ford Galaxies. Was very popular at the time. Second 68. One is a Black Bandit, Greenlight Black Bandit. It's also a very nice truck. Show the V8. It's right here. There you go. Instead of having bed cover, it has these bars here you can use to, if you want to put some load here in a bed, if you want to put some cargo, you want to tie them up. These bars help a lot, as long as they are not frail. As we can see, the Ford badges here is just like the 1967, is about the same size, but the difference is it's kind of hidden here in a black. It's black on black. There's another 68. This one is a four-wheel drive off-road. Basically the same thing the other trucks. V8 engine as well. Got a little mud here, fenders. This detail I don't like so much, but it's okay. I really like those trucks. That's a 69. That's made by M2. One thing I criticize about M2 is this bed and cab misalignment. I've got to correct this. I don't know how to do it, but maybe I'll just pick the screw off and put something underneath and lift the bed a little bit so it will be aligned to the cab. This pickup features a different engine. It's a more powerful engine and a different grille. The grille here is completely black with this red stripe and a 4 badge, which is different from the one I've shown before. 4 badges there, but there's no red line. It's also a very nice truck. Long bed, as we can see. Next one is a 1970. It's also made by Greenlight. It's very nice. It's a worn out truck. You can see there's a lot of markings here, scratches, a little rust, as we could expect from a very used truck for working. The most radical change in the front is new grille, completely new grille. I like this truck very much. Next one is the 1970 as well. This is an off-road, with an off-road bumper, 4-wheel drive lift-up suspension, short bed, V8, very nice. Let's just keep it right here and compare it to 1971, in which we have basically a different grille, but I can see really bigger changes. Basically two off-road 4-wheel drive trucks. It's by Motorcraft, just like the 1968 I think I've shown before in a Motorcraft diorama. 1972, there's a slight difference between 1972 and 1971. As we can see, the grille has 12 divisions here, and here we've got 8. Basically cosmetics. There's a 4-wheel drive, there's 2-wheel drive, there's an off-road pickup, and this one is just a regular one. Very nice. I like this one a lot. And the last one is 1972. It's a heavy-duty custom truck made by M2 as well. This one features what I think is a diesel engine. Looks like diesel. It's a long bed, but a custom bed, custom step side bed, which is very nice. It features tail lights in 2 different pieces. Opening doors, just like any other M2. This is a little hard to open, but here we go. Detailed interior. It's also a very nice truck. Well, this is it for now. I'm going to show you some more of my trucks, so stay tuned. Click the bell below for new videos. Leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.